Hello guys, welcome back again to Tech Stack Insider. If today is your first time joining our channel, make sure you like, subscribe and then watch our previous videos to help you understand how you can get online rating jobs. In today's video, I'll be talking about a new job in the system. Okay, people are applying it but not everyone, and then this job is not for everyone. Okay, there are country limits to this job. So let me explain what this company does. So just like we localize CrowdGen, Telos, Stellar, Outlier, Outliner, and all those online jobs that I've mentioned, they all build AI models. Okay, they all build AI models, but in a different field. So if CrowdGen is building AI models for Facebook, Google, and also Apple, Localize is also doing the same thing. Aligner is also doing the same thing, and this company too is a new company that is also what helping companies in the US or Silicon Valley develop their what AI systems. Okay, if I mean AI systems, it can be like an AI system for teaching kids, AI system for coding, AI system for medical staffs. You understand? So this company is offering online rating jobs to people who wants to, trade their time for money. Okay. Now, don't see this to be just an online short-term project. No. If you can see here, they've listed that it's a what long-term engagement, and then they pay you every 2 weeks. All right, and then you are going to define your own rate per the money you are going to what you would like to receive for working. And then trust me, the minimum in this job is like $25 per hour. That's the minimum that I've seen. The rest is mind blowing. $60 per hour, $70 per hour. Okay, depending on the field that you have applied. So now let me help you on how you can apply this job. So firstly, um you have to go to Google. You can decide to use the career. Okay, but what this is going to do is that the career is going to help an AI assess you. They're going to be asking you questions on the things that you can do. Instead of you going straight to apply for the jobs, the AI system is going to attend to you, ask you questions about the things that you do, okay, how familiar you are with your profession, and they are going to give you some things to try to see if indeed you are very good with what you are saying. Okay, that is how you are going to get a job by using the career button here. But there's another way you can also get a job by going straight to their job market. So if you go to Google, search for Micro1 AI. There is it, Micro1 AI. Now if you are on Google's homepage and then you see the website, look for open jobs. So here, open jobs, click on open jobs. It's going to give you all the list of jobs that they have available at the moment. Okay, now there's job for everyone, whether you're a teacher, you're a doctor, you're a financial manager, or you are an artist, you're a graphic designer, data annotator, any job at all, you have a job opportunity here. So based on what I teach my channel, I teach online jobs. So let's change this to any, and then let's change it to remote jobs, meaning that you're going to only get remote jobs available. So now there are a lot of jobs that you can choose from. So if you are in the business field, you can get a job here. If you're in the finance field, you can get a job here. If you are in the medical field, you can get a job there. Lawyers too has a job there. And mind you, all these jobs are being used to train an AI. So note that they are giving the job for you to use that opportunity to teach an AI how to think like you. Do you understand? Because the AI should be able to provide the right results to all users. In case it has been hosted to a real company, let's say you call a real company, a medical company, instead of a real doctor talking to you, an AI will talk to you, and the AI has to provide you with um the accurate information that you need. Do you understand? That's why they need human feedbacks. They need human rating. That's why they're giving you this job. Now, video annotation is like they're going to give you some videos and then they're going to ask you to annotate everything you see in the video. Annotate everything. If there's a leg, there's a head, there's a hands, there's a shirt, there are people in it, there's a car, everything you need to annotate and then label everything you see in that video. This option is very good for those of you who um don't have any, this kind of formal profession like the ones I mentioned above, the lawyer, the doctor and everything. You understand? You can do video annotation instead of those ones, okay? Because video annotation is general for everybody, no matter your background. You understand? Maybe you have a little skill of video editing, that's fine, but everybody can do the job. The next one is transcriptions AI trainer. Okay, so this one is also listening to an audio and then transcribing it into text. So this is it. So you're going to train an AI that can listen to people's words audio and then transcribe it to text. So this is the job for that. Everybody can apply it, whether you are in US, Canada, Brazil, everywhere you can apply. You have a lawyer too. This one is a formal job. A motion graphic designer. This job is open to everybody. Everybody can apply it. AI, this one needs a skill. You need a skill set to apply this job. Photography. Everybody too can apply for photography. As long as you can take pictures, this job is for you. And if you're a professional too, it can also help because all the job I'm mentioning pays not less than $25 per hour. So just imagine the amount of money you're going to get in a month for doing these jobs. So you have a financial expert, and this one too, this one requires a lot of skills. This one too, technology data, this one's to art teacher. This one is less complicated. So with this one, everybody too can do it. Do you understand? Everybody can do it. You can teach art as long as you did visual arts or you did any art course. This job you can find a way through it. It's not that difficult to work this job. Okay, so everybody can work this job. So 3D modeler, this one requires some skills. Okay, AI recruiter trainee, this one is general job here. So the ones I'm mentioning general, it means that everyone can apply. But if I tell you it needs a skill, that means that you need to have knowledge about that profession before you apply it. Do you understand me? But if I say general, I mean that everybody can what apply. So take note. Data entry operator. Okay, this one too requires some little bit of experience in Excel, Microsoft Office in general. Do you understand? So if you don't have those specifics, just skip this one. Administrative assistant, you need a skill. Virtual assistant, this one too, you need a little bit of skill. Yes, you need a skill. Virtual assistant, you need a skill. Data entry clerk, yes, this one too, you need a skill. The data engineer, you need a skill. Digital creative, you need a skill. Visual arts analog, okay, if you are into art, if you can draw like me, or if you can design, if you can, craft, you can sculpt, you can do this job. Okay, it's not, you're just going to be talking to the AI on how it's going to design and create certain things. It's not difficult, you understand. It's not something that is complicated like the medical sector. Okay, so this is a general job, everybody can do it. Now, personal care, you need a skill. AI researcher, so AI researcher too, you need a little bit of on searching or journalism knowledge. Okay, so it's a bit, but you still need a skill. Quality analyst, data annotator, this one everybody can do it. Everybody can apply this job. In fact, let me put this one down, I'll apply it myself. Okay, so everybody can apply for this job. Audio quality AI trainer, so this one too is a general job, meaning that you are going to listen to audio quality, listen to how an audio is, I mean more humane, more AI, fake. This voice look fake. This voice is not real. You understand? You're just going to help them notice some AI voices. Do you understand? Let's move on. So the next thing is language. This one is for some language, yeah, which is for specific people. Indonesia, specific people. Bengali, India. So if you're in India, this is for you. Indonesia, this is for you. Mali, this is for you. Okay, Russia too. Russia language viewer, this is for you. Dutch language viewer, Dutch, Portuguese. Um, yes. So every country is here. So UK English language viewer, which I'm going to apply. Yes, that's good. So you mean you see they putting the country there, so you need to be in, you used to be in UK, yes, obviously. So data entry job, you need a skill. Data entry, full stack developer, you need a skill. Appointment setter, real estate, you need a skill. Korean, Arabic, Hindi, Japanese, Polish, Turkish, Spanish, Italian, they are all here. German is here. US trainer too is here. Java developer, okay, Java, object oriented, algorithms, data structure, design patterns, RESTful API. You need a skill. You need a good amount of skill to read this, to do this job. So yeah, I'm not going to go in deeper because as you can see, there are a lot of jobs for everybody to do. So you just have to hope in, look for the particular skill that you can do. There are a lot of skills there that you can do, even if you don't have, any kind of high level professionalism in any course or anything. You can just pick a simple job like what I've done. I can do data annotation, okay? I will pick that one. I can also do English language reviewing. I've picked that one. So yeah, so that's it. Don't pick anything to stress yourself, okay? Don't pick any job to stress yourself, okay? So for me, let me apply for this job and then wait for an interview. They are going to do an interview by all means. So I have to log in here with my Gmail, my number, and then also my LinkedIn. You have to get an LinkedIn profile, please. Note this, get a LinkedIn profile. It's very important. Now we have to add our resume. So I have to add my resume, which is this one, my resume. So I just upload it, and then when it's all set and done, we just go to next. Here it says, what is your notice period? Okay, okay, let me just choose 7 days, and then what is the expected hourly rate. So let me just say $20 is what I'm expecting. How many hours can you work? I can work 30 hours. You can do 40. Is English UK your native language? Yes, it is. UK is my native language. Besides UK, what other language do you speak? Let me see. P. Okay, that's a Ghanaian language. Or I can use Akan. That's a Ghanaian language. So then you apply for the job. So they are going to send you an email. So this, we have applied for the job. So you successfully applied for the English UK language reviewer AI trainer position at Micro1. If qualified, we will send you a next step over email. So they are going to send us an email. Okay, so let's go to our email and see if you are going to receive any. If you don't receive it, fine, you can just go for another job. If you wait for like a day or two and you've not received any email from Micro1, go for another job. Do you understand? Go for another job. There's no limit in applying for the job. You just have to know the right job that they are going to. It's not everybody that are going to accept you. Okay, because they are going to look through your resume. They're going to look through your resume and see if you really have the um so if you're having an issue with getting the email, if you are not receiving the email, okay, now this is what we're going to do. Now you tried this and then you have not received an email. So what if we go to them and then we talk to them about our profession? That's when you are going to use the career. Do you understand? That's when you're going to use the career, just in case you don't receive the email. Good. So here you go to get hired. They're going to take you to a page which they're going to ask you to enter your Gmail login. Yeah, I have already have an account. So already have an account. So let me just log in here. They're going to send it. They are going to send an email. They're going to send an email. Yes. So please, as I was saying, make sure you pick the profession based on your resume. The application I didn't check what I'm a software engineer, but I didn't choose software engineer, but I uploaded a resume for software engineer. That is going to worry you. Okay. So make sure before you even apply for the job, listen to me very carefully. Before you apply for the job, copy the key responsibilities. Copy this down. Copy this. Okay. Copy it. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to go to ChatGPT. Okay. I'm just showing you how you can get a job very fast because your resume counts. Don't joke with the resume. So you go to resume creation. Sorry. I created this. So you just go to a new tab. Now what you're going to do, you're going to put all this down, and then what you're going to do is that you're going to add your name. You're going to add your name, your date of birth, okay, your name, date of birth, your address, your email, and your phone number. Okay, now when you're done, you write create a real professional resume, as a data annotator. Okay, so when you do this, it's going to develop a resume for you. So you see it, the AI is going to develop a good resume for you. You see, everything is real. So you see, they even added that you've worked in Telos. You understand? Because Telos offers a data analytics job. Upwork, remote task, university here, the school you went to will be given to you, and then the certification you had. You understand? So when you are done with this, you just copy them, copy this and then use this to build. Just go to your Google document, Google document, yes, Google document, and just paste it there. Don't do anything extraordinary. Don't go and be creating any kind of, or if you want to, or listen to me, or you can go to resume this website, resume.com. Okay, please remember, resume.com. I'm saying it again, I'm repeating myself. Now when you're at resume.com, you are going to be given a free platform for you to use to create your, let me log out, okay, so that you guys will not get confused. So if you go to resume builder, okay, you're going to build your resume with Indeed. So if you don't have an Indeed account, you can't go to resume builder. So here, the first thing I'll go to sign in. So if you go to sign in, you're going to see that it says sign in with Indeed. So click on sign in with Indeed. Now when you do that, sign in with Indeed. So now my Indeed is already in it. So I've signed in. So you're going to get the opportunity to create a resume. You understand? You see everything here, real resume. So when you're done, you just, let's say I'm done with this resume. I want to print it out. Okay, it's done. So I'll go to download resume, download PDF. It's free. There's no money to be paid. It's free. So you see it. This is the resume downloaded for us. Very quick. Very quick. If you click on it, you see simple resume. Then you use this to apply. So when you get this resume, you just go here and then put it here. Make sure the job matches with what you are applying for. Your resume should match with what you are applying for. Listen again before you go and do it, and then you will not get any job, and then you come to my DM claiming that what I thought did not work. Use the resume that match with the job you are applying. Fine. Now when you are done with this part, when you choose from any of the jobs, okay, you come here and then put your resume there. Or we are going to use the career AI. Okay, I call it a career AI because it's going to help you know what you want. That's what it's going to help you do. Help you know what you can do better. Okay, so they sent us a code. Let's use the code here. So you click on it, we copy the code and then go to yes and confirm the code. Okay, so once you are confirmed to the code, you are going to ask us about our profession, what we can do and do best. Good. So we saw some examples here. Okay, so we can copy this language reviewer, very smart, and then we can choose graphic designer, and the next one can be a visual artist. Okay, and then are you a software engineer? That's no. And then see, I can't do an interview here in this video because it will be very bad for my channel. Okay, and I can get reported for privacy infringement. Okay, so please, I can't do the interview in my video. Sorry for that one, but I can't. So now when you're done with this, you just click on start the AI interview. So you're going to meet an AI. It's called Zara. Zara is going to help you know what you can do and do best, and then they're going to help assess you and make sure you really understand the job you want to do. Okay, so yeah, so this everything I have for you for today. The job name is Micro1. I've taught you how you can get the resume for the Micro1, and I've taught you two ways you can use to enter into the job by using the open jobs or using Zara to help you know the jobs that you can get based on your experience. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this video will help you get this job, And then if today is your first time again, please make sure you subscribe, you like, and then you comment everything you don't understand down. If you're having some challenges with exams, if you with rating, please make sure you access my WhatsApp link, click on it, it will take you to my WhatsApp, and make sure you chat me for anything you think you don't understand. Have a nice day.